Hello students, today we'll take up the topic of class 6th maths exercise 1.1 knowing our numbers. To start with, we will take question number 1, A part, where we have to write that 1 lakh equals to how many 10,000. To understand this concept, we move on to our Indian system of numeration, which starts from ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. This is the system which we have studied. Now, you must observe that we are trying to establish a combination between 1 lakh and 10,000. 10,000. Okay, so there are several methods to do the same. One is that you can count the number of zero. Second, you can count the number of jump. Lakh is here and 10,000 is just before that. So, how many jumps you make to get to lakhs? It is just one jump. So, once you jump once, it tells the multiplication with 10 to a higher value. That means, if we come to this concept, 1 lakh has how many zeros? It has 5 zeros, and if I want to break 1 lakh into the multiplication of 1000, then I can write it as 1000 into, see, I will leave 3 zeros, so I am left with 100. So, if I make a packet of 1000 rupees, there will be 100 packets to make the same. But as I need 10,000, so I need to borrow this 0 here, which becomes 10 into 10,000. Okay, so I reach to this conclusion that 1 lakh is equal to 10,000s. Okay, clear children? Fine. Now we go to the next question, which is 1 million equals to how many 100,000? The same way as we did there. So, we will move here also and we will make our international system of numeration, which we can write as ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. Now, you need to establish the relationship between 1 million and 100,000. So, let us first check where are these two numbers. 100,000 is here and million is here. Now, from 100,000, if you move to million, how many places do I have to jump? Just one jump. So, one jump always tells the multiplication with 10. So, hence I get that 1 million equals to 100,000. Okay. Now, same way we move to the next one. I have to check out that 1 crore equals to how many 10 lakhs. Now, we have already written the international Indian system, and we have to compare that 1 crore equals to how many 10 lakhs. So, now we again find where is crore and where is 10 lakhs. So, here is crore and here is your 10 lakh. Again, how many jumps do you need? Only one jump. So, the answer to this should be 10 lakh. Okay. Now, the last part. Now, there is a comparison between Indian and international system, where you are comparing the crores with your millions. Okay. Now, in this you can write both the system side by side and then compare. So, you will get that 1 crore has how many zeros? 7 zeros. Adding commas to the number according to the international system, we have, if I compare the system, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros here, and if I compare here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros here, which makes it as 10 million. So, 1 crore equals to 10 million. Same way, they have asked me to compare 1 million to lakhs. So, for this children, we can make the Indian and international system side by side, which gives us the clear picture of the system. Now, while making it, we will write one system below the other. So, I have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Below this I write the international system. Till 10,000 the system is perfectly the same, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Once I write this, I can answer all the questions. Now, they have asked me to compare 1 million with lakhs. So, now I come 1 million with how many lakhs? We will read the question again. It says 1 million equals to how many lakhs? Okay. So, 1 lakh equals to 100,000, that you can easily see. 1 lakh equals to 100,000, okay, and million is one jump ahead. So, if I compare these two systems, so I get that 10 lakh equals to 1 million. So, same way I will fill it here. So, it should be 1 million, just a second, I will get 1 million equals to not 100 lakhs, this is, I have to strike off 1 0 from here, it has to be 10 lakhs. So, the correction is it has to be 10 lakh. Okay. So, have you understood this question? Okay. So, we will take up more questions in my next video.